Okay, English 079. We've got a great week ahead. Let's take a quick look at our course. In Comp 1, of course, take a look. Please watch all the videos, everything that I put in the Comp 1. It's really important that you understand. If for some reason you still have questions after you've watched all the videos and read the assignment sheets and everything else, please get a hold of me because I want to help you. Let's go ahead and take a quick look. I'm going to share my screen here, and we'll take a quick look at what we're doing this week. Essentially, it's just you're doing the peer reviews. You should have done in the past couple of weeks. What we did was we did the reading guides for readings 7 and 8. So here we are on week 13. We're going to do the peer reviews for summaries 7 and 8, and then of course you're going to do your journal number 12. This will be your last journal entry, so hooray. And essentially what we're going to be doing is peer review for those last summaries. So we're going to be done with our summaries, done with the journal. This is the last week you're going to have to mess with it. Awesome. And then you'll notice that that a lot of these other things are just preparing to hand things in to Comp 1. So really, when it comes to the work you're going to be doing this week, good stuff. Next week, you've got nothing going on in this class because I want you to completely focus on really honing and sharpening up your argumentative essay and your annotated bibliography to hand in during week 14. So this week, make sure to do a peer review. Now, what that is, again, guys, just like every other time, it's in the discussion boards. You guys have been doing actually very well on these. But you're going to upload your rough draft of your summary. And again, try to get the best possible summary you can. Then you're going to answer these questions for two other classmates. Make sure that you've got your citations, right? We always want to remember at the end, you got to have that page range. And you want to make sure to have the works cited entry. Now, remember, to get the works cited entry for these particular summaries, really all you'll need to do is go back to just go back to one of your other summaries from the book. Let's just take a look at Michael's real quick. I bet we can just take a quick look here. If you have the, well, okay, Michael didn't have it on there. But basically, if you have the works cited entry, any of the works cited entries from the past, if I go back to Comp 1, essentially, I gave you the works cited entry for all of the other ones. So for all the other summaries that you did. But if you go, let's see here, works cited entries for essay 3, the way you're going to get the works cited entries for essay 4 is essentially just look at these citations. They're both from the same book, right? They're both from the same textbook. The only things that are different are the author's name, the title of the article, and the page range at the end. So all you need to do is just change those. Remember, it's last name, comma, first name, period for the author's name. And then the title of the article is in quotation marks, right? It's not italics, it's in quotation marks. Everything else is going to stay the same, except for, of course, you also have a different page range. So just look in your book, where does it start, where does it end? And there you have it. You've got your citation for your last two summaries. So make sure that you've got your works cited entry at the end of both of those summaries, and make sure you've got the page range at the end of those summaries too. Make sure to tell your readers, right, in parentheses at the end of those that summary paragraph, just put that page range there, and you've got your citation. That's the only citation that you're going to need in the in-text stuff. And then you have your works cited entry. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I will be in my office quite a bit today on Monday. I'll be in and out. But if you need to talk to me, email me. We can set up a time to meet, and I would be very, very happy to talk to you guys. So now is not the time to slack. Now is not the time to procrastinate. Now is the time to really work hard, be focused. I know we've been doing school now for a while. We're tired, we're burnout, whatever. Take good care of yourself, because it's the people that take the time to take good care of themselves and to really focus during these last few weeks of the semester that tend to do better, because the vast majority of your points are earned now. It's the early points, you can't do anything about them. So if you missed out on earlier points, Sorry, nothing we can do. But guess what? You can do a lot with the points that are yet to be earned. So make sure to earn those points now. Don't wait till the last minute to do your assignments. Don't wait till the last minute to do things. If you have questions, talk to me early so that I can give you help that will be meaningful later on. Guys, I wish you the best. Have a great week. If you have questions, let me know. All right, I'll see you next week.